Welcome to our baby chicks. These are the little Ericanas. They're going to lay a blue egg.
These are barred rocks.
These are barred rocks. Go ahead and put them in, Sissy.
Here's your water. They collapsed on me. Water. And the rest are Wyandottes.
So we have 3 types of chickens. There goes the Wyandotte.
Here's your water.
Oh, we got a little chirper.
Hey, girls. Come on, girl. Be careful. They're just hatched today.
Oh, they were born today on a full moon. That's lucky. They're full moon babies.
Oh, here's some water. This thing's fell down.
We'll pull it up in the bottom. Yeah. Do this. Close the blanket on them. They got food right there. Yeah. One of them's sitting on it, but I don't think they know what to do with it yet. Yeah. I think it's warm enough because they're not huddling, which is what I want to see.
They're like, hey.
Where's all this area? Of course, they had a pretty big area at Coastal, didn't they?
Mm-hmm. But they also had a lot more brothers and sisters. Or brothers and sisters, I should say.
Don't eat the sawdust, eat the food. Don't check at each other either. Yeah. Oh, good. One's cleaning itself already.
Getting all warm again.
Oh, they're so cute. They're so cute.
Running each other over.
Okay, this is our babies, day 1.